new projects. In this video, we are going to explain the project e-voting system using Ethereum blockchain. Introduction. The primary aim is to leverage Ethereum blockchain technology, which provides a decentralized and tamper-resistant platform for conducting electronic voting. Traditional voting methods like paper ballots and centralized electronic systems are vulnerable to problems like hacking, data changes, server failures, and centralized control. These issues can harm the trustworthiness of elections. Therefore, we are using blockchain to fix these issues. Blockchain is a distributed digital ledger that securely records transactions across a network of nodes or computers in a transparent and immutable manner. Each transaction is added to a block and linked to the previous one, creating a continuous chain of data blocks. In the context of a blockchain, transactions refer to the actions or operations that are recorded on the blockchain ledger. These transactions can represent various types of data depending on the specific use case of the blockchain. In the case of an e-voting system, transactions represent individual votes cast by voters. Blockchain offers several advantages. It operates on a decentralized network, meaning there is no single point of failure, making the system resilient. Data on the blockchain is cryptographically secure, making it extremely difficult for unauthorized access or tampering. Transactions are visible to all participants, ensuring transparency and accountability. Once data is recorded, it can't be changed without network consensus, guaranteeing data integrity. Even if some network nodes fail, the blockchain system continues to operate, ensuring data availability and service reliability. Ethereum is the chosen blockchain platform for this project. It introduces the concept of smart contracts, which are like digital agreements that run on the blockchain. These contracts make sure things happen as they should without relying on a central authority. In the context of e-voting, smart contracts are created to manage party and candidate details, record and validate votes, ensure transparency and security throughout the election process, and execute actions based on predefined rules such as counting votes and verifying data integrity. Therefore, this project aims to address the vulnerabilities of traditional voting systems by implementing a secure, decentralized e-voting system using Ethereum blockchain, which ensures data integrity, transparency, and resilience against common drawbacks in traditional methods. Objective of the project. The primary objective is to develop an e-voting system using Ethereum blockchain. The project aims to achieve heightened security, data accuracy, decentralization, transparency, and the ability to detect any unauthorized changes in the voting data. A user-friendly website interface will be designed to facilitate voting for users and provide administrator control over the system. And the system will be designed to remain efficient and functional even when accommodating a large number of simultaneous users. Requirements needed to execute this project are hardware requirements: processor of i5 and above, RAM of 8GB and above, ROM of 25GB and above. Software requirements needed are Node.js, Python 3.7.0 and Visual Studio Community version. To execute this project, we have designed few modules. The first module is Cast Your Vote. In this module, voters can select their preferred candidates to cast their votes. The system records their choices securely on the Ethereum blockchain, ensuring the integrity of the voting process. The second module is Admin Login. The Admin Login module is reserved for system administrators. They use their credentials to access the administrative dashboard, where they can oversee and manage various aspects of the voting process. This includes monitoring user activity and checking vote counts. The third module is View Vote Count. This module allows administrators to view and tally the number of votes each candidate has received. It provides an overview of the voting results, helping administrators track the progress of the election and ensuring accuracy in the vote counting process. Blockchain integration. In this e-voting system, voter details and their votes are securely stored on the Ethereum blockchain. Each voter's information, such as their identity and candidate choices, is recorded as a transaction on the blockchain. The information is distributed across multiple nodes or computers in the Ethereum network, enhancing its security and resiliency. Smart contracts are employed to manage party and candidate details. They store information about the different political parties and their candidates. Additionally, smart contracts are responsible for recording and verifying votes. When a voter casts a vote, A smart contract ensures that the vote is valid and follows the rules of the election. It then securely records the vote on the blockchain. This reduces the need for manual intervention, making the system more efficient and less prone to errors or manipulation. And data integrity is maintained in the system through the utilization of the SHA-256 algorithm, that is Secure Hash Algorithm 256B. Each block in a blockchain is linked with a unique hash code. These blocks are maintained across multiple nodes or servers. Before storing new records, blockchain verifies the hash code of each block. If any block data is modified, it results in a different hash code, triggering security alarms and ensuring the integrity and immutability of the data. Therefore, to execute this project, first we need to open the code folder which contains the project source code files. So this is e-voting folder. In this folder, I have Python code files that are intended to be dynamically loaded into the project during runtime. This is e-voting app folder. This folder comprises a static folder which contains files related to CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. These files contribute to the visual and interactive aspects of the application. An e-voting app folder also contains a templates folder. Within this folder, we'll find all the HTML pages used throughout the project. It includes pages like index.html, home.html and more, representing various sections of the website. And it also contains Python code files that will be executed during the runtime of the application, supporting its functionality. And this is Hello ETH folder. In this folder, I have a node modules folder. This folder consists of dependencies or modules needed for the project. Now open .bin folder. This folder often contains executable scripts related to the project's dependencies. So here we can see run blockchain.bat file. Double click on it to start the blockchain. This script will initiate the local Ethereum blockchain for development purposes. It contains commands to start the blockchain environment. Now the blockchain is hosted on the local machine at the local host and the port. This address allows us to interact with the blockchain using various tools and applications. Now execute the command truffle space migrate to compile and deploy the smart contracts. I'm typing truffle space migrate and hit the enter button. So Truffle is a development framework for Ethereum that simplifies the process of compiling and deploying smart contracts. They're deployed on a blockchain network and can facilitate various transactions such as transferring tokens or managing digital assets. Once the migration process is complete, Truffle will provide us with a unique Ethereum contract address. So this is the contract address. This address represents the location of the deployed smart contract on the blockchain. And here we can see gas used. So to execute the e-voting solidity file and compile smart contracts, this is the amount of gas consumed. Now minimize this. This is e-voting SQL file. This file consists of Solidity code. It handles data structures, functions and events with modifiers for validation. This is manage.py file. It is a command line utility that comes with Django. It provides various commands for managing Django projects, including tasks like running the development server, creating database tables, applying migrations and more. And this is run.bat file. Instead of executing the project through command line interface, we have created Windows bat file to execute the project. Now double click on it to start the Django application. So the Django framework will host the application locally at the default address, local host and port unless configured differently. So now copy the local link provided by the framework. I'm copying it and paste it into any web browser. I prefer Chrome. After pasting it, type index.html at the end and hit the enter button. So the home page of the project has been displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using Django framework. So here we can see admin login and cast your vote links. Click on cast your vote link. So here we can view list of available parties and the 3 party details, candidate ID, candidate name and symbol. And we can click on click here link on any candidate row to cast our vote to that party. So I'm clicking on click here link of BJP party, candidate name Narendra Modi. So here we can see the cast your vote screen and we can see candidate ID of candidate name Narendra Modi is 2 and we have to enter the voter name and Aadhaar number. So the voter name would be Kumar. Give the Aadhaar number and now click on submit your vote button. So here we can see your vote saved inside Ethereum. Now we will vote again. Click on cast your vote link again. So we will again vote for BJP party. Click on click here link. So the voter name this time would be Ravi. Give the Aadhaar number and click on submit your vote. So we can see vote saved inside Ethereum. We will vote again. Click on cast your vote link. So this time we'll vote for Congress party. Click on click here link of candidate name Rahul Gandhi. So this time candidate ID is 1 and the voter name this time would be Raj, and give the Aadhaar number. Now click on submit your vote button. So the vote is saved inside Ethereum. Now we log in as admin. Click on admin login link. So we have to give the credentials of admin here. So give the username and password and click on login. So we have logged in as admin now, and here we can see view vote count link. So click on it. So here we have to enter the candidate ID. So the candidate ID I am entering is 2, and now click on view count. So here we can see total votes received by candidate ID 2, and we can see the candidate name and the symbol of the party. Again click on view vote count. So this time candidate ID would be 1, and click on view count. So here we can see total votes received, it's 1. So click on view vote count again. This time we'll try with 3 and click on view count. So here we can see this party haven't received any votes. Now click on log out. So the conclusion here is the project has built a safe and clear electronic voting system using Ethereum blockchain. Blockchain tech guarantees the safety of voting data. It is super tough for anyone to hack, and there is no single point that can fail, and everything happening in the election is open for everyone to see. The system is easy for people to use, and it can handle lots of voters at once. So whether it's a small election or a big one, it works smoothly. We rely on the Ethereum blockchain to keep voting records unchangeable. It is like a solid foundation for the whole election, ensuring that everyone can trust the process.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.